Hello, thank you for stopping by. We review the best cameras and other gadgets for you from Amazon. Hey, it's Julie, and welcome back to Moran Reviews. We'll be taking a look at the latest and greatest of all things camera, and this video will be taking a look at the top 5 best DSLRs and video on the market this year. Like always, we try to include products that could work for someone on strict budget only up to experienced professionals. So what are you looking for, something cheap or looking for professional grade camera equipment without an option for you on this list? If you want to find out the best DSLR camera for video, be sure to stay tuned for the place we have. Canon US Rebel T6 we consider the best DSLR for video under $500 beginning US level. T6 has an 18 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that takes reasonably good quality pictures, uses the EFS lens mount which is compatible with any of the EF range. From Canon you have plenty of options to choose from. Regardless of your budget, the 9-point autofocus system is particularly impressive. But there is one cross-type point for additional sensitivity. Evocative viewfinder gives you 95% coverage, which is invaluable. Related sensitivity is still at ISO 100 to 6400 and expandable to 12800. This camera screen has received a noticeable upgrade, now sporting a 3-inch 920K display, offers incredible detail and clarity. Have any trouble whatsoever with photos? We really like the built-in Wi-Fi and MFC connectivity, which allows you to transfer the photos and videos you take without any annoying cables. You can also use these features to control the camera from your smartphone or tablet. Its highlight features include the Digit 4 Plus image processor. This camera's advanced process allows you to take high-quality photos in almost any environment. Also has multi-shot noise reduction. Multi-shot noise reduction feature of this camera reduces the amount of distortion in each photo you take. There are also a few pros that we noticed. First is the wireless connectivity through numerous wireless connectivity options, which is perfect for quickly uploading your photos to social media. It's also easy to use. This camera has a very simple design that makes it incredibly easy to use for everyone. That was one. He noticed the viewfinder only offers 95% coverage, but still pretty good. Coming in at $430 beginning US Rebel T6 is a very solid camera with an impressive autofocus system and image sensor. You will receive a multitude of lenses that can be used in a variety of shooting scenarios. This is definitely the best DSLR for video under $500 on the market right now. Just wanted to mention all the links to all the products mentioned in the video be in the descriptions out below. Scammers due to the sales, to be sure to check out those links for updated pricing on all products mentioned. If you're new to the channel, be sure that subscribe button or post notification to stay up to date with the latest intimate gear as well as tips and tricks for photography and video. This list was created based on my personal experience with these products, very similar products, as well as hours of research. With all that out of the way, let's get into the video. In 4th place, we have the Nikon D5600. Nikon D5600 has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, making it a great choice for those who want to take professional-looking photos. This sensor is equipped with a low-pass filter that results in more detailed pictures. Camera's XP-form processor has a native sensitivity range of ISO 125,600. You can count on its performing well in a wide range of lighting conditions. The optical viewfinder offers 95% coverage of the frame, which is to be expected of a camera at this price point. Particularly local 3.2-inch vari-angled touchscreen display, which has an impressive 1,037,000 resolution. One of the other new features this camera offers is the ability to create time-lapse movies. You can do this entirely in camera, which is very convenient and easy. You can use this camera to record video. Will be limited to 1080p. It may not have 4K resolution, but the video itself looks really good. There were few highlight features and wanted to point out first. This camera's DX format CMOS sensor offers a 24.2 megapixel resolution for great-looking pictures, and second, record video and full HD 1080p gets 60 frames per second. And wanted to point out where it has a comfortable feel. Deep hand grip on this camera makes it very comfortable and easy to hold onto. And second is the touchscreen display. The rear screen on this camera has a nice touchscreen interface that is incredibly responsive. One we noticed was the SnapBridge Bluetooth that this camera offers can be a little buggy at times, causing minor issues. Coming in at just under $5,600, the Nikon D5600 takes amazing quality photos and full HD video that will be sure to match your needs. Before image processor is really what makes it so incredibly powerful and efficient. We'll get free cloud stored by this camera, which is my slow bonus place. We have examined USADD, which we consider the best DSLR for video under $1,000. The 10-inch USADD features a 24 million pixel sensor, and the state-of-the-art Digit 6 processing engine has a native sensitivity range of ISO 116,000, can be expanded up to 25,600. Camera's reflex mode system had 45 autofocus points, which are all cross-type pixel CMOS AF technology, means that the image sensor itself has numerous face detection points. This new system is more sensitive and even faster than its predecessor when you're going to be ability to report 4K video and still play smooth, great looking for HD videos at 1980 x 1020 resolution. There is an external mic port, HDMI mini port, and a via digital out terminals. Video snapshot feature will allow you to make excellent short videos with minimal effort. You will have Wi-Fi and MFC connectivity options that will link the camera to your smartphone or tablet during numerous custom mode settings that you can play around with by turning the dial on the top panel. A few features. One of the highlight word is an intelligent viewfinder. This camera's view finally made it easier for you to take pictures of all times. It also comes with Pixel CMOS AF unique autofocus that the scammers uses will provide you with tracking in night view, and also has built-in Wi-Fi. The integrated wireless connectivity options a scammer offers will turn your smartphone into a complete, because we noticed was one of the quick menu does have a nice layout, is not customizable at all. Examined USADD is the best DSLR for video of $1,000. It features an incredible autofocus system that allows for very smooth tracking. Its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor will give you high-resolution photos that always look great. This is the perfect choice for those with looking for solid digital camera in a big price range. And second place, we have the Nikon D7500. The Nikon D7500 measures 4.1 x 5.4 x 2.9 inches with a weight of just 1.4 pounds. The viewfinder was solid glass pins appraisal, and it is significantly lighter than most models of this price point. Body of the camera is still to protect against moisture and dust. What is very durable? There is a standard mode dial on the top panel of the camera, flashing hot shoe situated to the left. You have numerous special effects, filters, and symbols to choose from for customizing the look of each picture. If you want to keep things simple, you can always use full automatic mode. This camera's 29.9 megapixel image sensor will always deliver high quality photos that are sharp and detailed. You can record video and 4K for HD as well as to maybe be 3.2-inch 922K LCD screen. Has a tilting design and a tuner phase that is simple and easy to use. A few features. One of the highlight work, it's 4K Ultra video. The 4K resolution video that you can report with this camera offers flawless quality that is very impressive. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi. Will have built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless transfer photos and videos your mobile device. A few pros wanted to go over work. Its tilting display. The LCD screen on this camera's rear to be tilted to get the perfect viewing angle matter what. It also has a great AF system. 51-point autofocus system makes it easy to take pictures of your subjects quickly without losing any detail or clarity, because we noticed was the 4K video that this camera can record a squat, which might be annoying for some people, coming in at around $1,750. The Nikon D7500 offers a strong autofocus system and high-quality video playback with numerous wireless connectivity options, which is perfect if you want to transfer photos and videos your phone as quickly as possible. In first place, we have the Nikon D850, which we consider the best overall DSLR for video. The Nikon D850 has a fairly impressive 45.7 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. The will to be the best looking pictures you could possibly ask for, like collecting elements, have been moved near to the top of the sensor, which means a great amount of detail. This camera's DX crop mode means that the outer part of the viewfinder is covered to give you incredibly high resolution photos. There is also the new 1:1 aspect ratio at 30.2 megapixels. You will also have 0.75 times optical. Viewfinder is the biggest magnification factor in one of these cameras. The 3.2-inch touchscreen display on the rear of the camera is a 2,359,000 resolution. Please make it easy to navigate through the menu. One thing we really like about the D850 is the fact you can report 4K UHD FX format with no sensor cropping at up to 30p. Video playback looks incredible, and you can also shoot full HD at 60p. The highlight features and wanted to touch upon work, its tilting touchscreen. This camera has a beautiful touchscreen display that tilts to give you the best viewing angle matter what. And also with continuous shooting, shoot continuously with this camera at up to 9 frames per second. The company pros wanted to go over Work's great viewfinder. The viewfinder on this camera is very large and bright, giving you a clear view of your subjects, and also wanted to go over its long battery life. You can use this camera for up to 1200 shots before you need to worry about recharging the battery, because we noticed was the focusing of my view mode is a bit slow compared to some of the camera's competitors, coming in at about $3,300. The Nikon D50 is the best overall DSLR for video. It can record 4K UHD video that would simply incredible. You can also take 45.7 megapixel photos, which are always extremely detailed and sharp. Alright, that's all for this video. To the Javelin, want to stay up to date with the latest and best of everything camera photography and filmmaking? Should that subscribe button. If you're interested in updated pricing on all products mentioned, should check out the links in the description down below. Hope you guys to creating that. I will see you in the next video.